Hello, my name is Soin Patel. I'm a CEO and co-founder of CompuTech City. On behalf of our staff and myself, I want to thank you for taking your time to learn more about CompuTech City and the services we provide to Central Florida medical community.
CompuTech City serves a unique need here in the Central Florida community. We're very fortunate to have world-class healthcare here in this community. But what we've noticed over the last 9 years is that there's been a real void in dedicated healthcare IT support for these doctors and the work that they do.
Our clients became doctors because they wanted to practice medicine and help their patients. Given the regulatory climate of healthcare today and the rapid changes of medical technologies, doctors need a partner who can proactively manage their healthcare IT needs so their practice can grow to meet the demands of their patients. Doctors routinely outsource their IT needs to us so they can focus on taking care of their patients and not worrying about their IT networks.
Dave and I founded CompuTech City in 2002 after we learned from a local doctor that he could not find a qualified IT support for his medical practice. Noting that our guiding principle for the company is to always expand our offering to meet the needs of our clients, we introduced medical transcription service within the 6 months of opening CompuTech City. By 2006, we launched remote medical billing service in response to the challenges that our client had in finding a billing solution that could interface with their existing systems. 2007 witnessed the greatest transformation of our company to date when we rolled out our proactive care approach to managed services. Since then, we have focused on proactive management and the maintenance of our clients' system to help ensure that their systems are up and running every day when they open their office. We continue to innovate and recently launched our HIPAA compliance support for medical practices seeking to ensure compliance with all the relevant HIPAA IT security requirements in the advance of possible audits. My staff and I are committed to meeting the ongoing needs of Central Florida's medical community for years to come.
Having been in the space for over 9 years now, we've developed strategic partnerships with all of the leading healthcare IT vendors. This allows us to be able to customize and implement state-of-the-art technologies for our medical practices, allowing them to keep a focus on patient healthcare and really drive efficiencies within their practices, increases their profitability, as well as allows them to attain a higher level of care for their patients. At the end of the day, I think that's the greatest thing we can offer our clients, a combination of increased efficiency and increased profitability.
Today, we serve over 500 medical practices throughout Florida. To do so requires a comprehensive suite of services, including several managed service plans to ensure doctors' network and equipment are running smoothly, medical office setup, multi-location integration, IT hardware and software sales, EMR sales implementation, training, and ongoing support, EMR hosting, network design and management, network security and maintenance, data backup and disaster recovery solutions, virtualization consulting, HIPAA compliance and audit support, system integration and upgrades, subscription-based model, cloud computing. Rest assured, as technology evolves, so will our services. We truly are a single source provider for all your healthcare IT needs.
The biggest challenge facing doctors today is the decision on adopting an electronic medical records or EMR system. Given that we are a certified IT support vendor for the nation's top 10 EMR systems and our success with over 200 EMR implementations, CompuTech City is Central Florida's leader in EMR sales and support. In addition to selling, implementing, hosting, and supporting EMR products, we are actively engaged in 2 regional extension center programs in Florida, aimed at educating and assisting doctors with the selection and implementation of EMR systems. We work alongside our clients from the EMR selection phase through to implementation and beyond. With us, our doctors have a partner who is committed to their successful and meaningful use of EMR solutions.
I think one of the greatest benefits we offer our clients is the fact that with CompuTech City, they get a single source provider for all their healthcare IT needs. Here at CompuTech City, we actually take an educative approach first, where we'll work with a doctor to help educate them on what EMR is, what it can do for their practice, and then how we can integrate that in there. We take that commitment one step further. We're actively involved in 2 regional extension center programs here in Central Florida through local universities to help further educate and implement EMR systems within the medical community. So with CompuTech City, a doctor knows that they're going to first get advisement, counseling, and education around electronic medical records before we actually start presenting a solution to them for their consideration and eventual implementation. Doctors take a preventative approach in treating their patients. They encourage their patients to address problems before they become bigger issues. Here at CompuTech City, we believe in the same preventative approach to taking care of the doctor's IT systems. We look to solve problems before they become critical issues. Consider us the health insurance for your IT network.